Jai Sriman
They have come across a place where just few minutes before Rama Lakshmana has done Pinda Pradhanam over there. So all the queens along with Sumitra and Kausalyamma, they reached over there. Kausalyamma has seen those pindas which were kept on Dakshinagreshu Darbheshu, which were kept on Darbha. Now Kausalyamma, while crying, she is saying to all other queens that, look at those pindas. Idam Ikshvakunadhasya Raghavasya Mahatmanaha. Ikshvakunadha is our Dasaratha Maharaju. Great man, Mahatma is our Dasaratha Maharaju. Father to Rama is our Dasaratha Maharaju. To such great man, Rama has done Pinda Pradhanam with all of his Shraddha. I can see that those pindas, that is where Pinda Pradhanam is done. Like that, Kausalyamma, after seeing those pindas, started moving to tears and sharing all her pain and grief with all other queens. Kausalya Devi, while looking at those pindas, sharing her grief and pain with all other queens, saying that our Dasaratha Maharaju is an equivalent to all the devatas. Such is our Dasaratha Maharaju. Our Dasaratha Maharaju is deserved to enjoy all the pleasures and comforts. Such is our Dasaratha Maharaju. Such a great man is our Dasaratha Maharaju. Such a great man has got, look at those pindas which are made up with just whatever the fruits were available in this forest. Those kind of pindas were made for Dasaratha Maharaju. Mahendra Sadruso Vibhuhu. Our Dasaratha Maharaju is equivalent to Devendra. Chaturanta Mahim Bhuktva. Our Dasaratha Maharaju deserves to enjoy all the comforts available in this entire earth. Such Dasaratha Maharaju got this kind of Pinda Pradhanam. Look at that. Rama has to do this Pinda Pradhanam here without any kind of dignified protocols. Our Dasaratha Maharaju supposed to be receiving this Pinda Pradhanam with so many great protocols. This is a very, very unbearable, heavy pain and grief to all of us. Like that Kausalyamma, while sharing all her feelings with other queens, they are all crying a lot. And all other queens trying to console, pacify Kausalyamma. Slowly, they are started again walking towards Ramashramam. From a distance, all the mothers were able to see Ramashramam. Dadrususcha Ashrame Ramam Swargachyutam Ivamaram. How is looking that ashramam, Ramashramam? Ramashramam is looking like something has come down from the sky to the earth. Like a big, nice, very beautiful Devata. The ashramam is looking like a devata to all the mothers. They are walking towards ashramam. Now they are able to see Rama over there. How is looking Rama? All the mothers have seen Rama, who has left, who has renunciated all the comforts, all the luxuries, all the pleasures. Such Rama is seen to all the mothers. Mothers could not see such Rama in that kind of situation. All the mothers started crying a lot. Artha, Mumuchuhu, Asruni, Saswaram, Sokakarshitaha. Suddenly, all the mothers started crying loudly after seeing Rama in that situation. When Rama looked at all the mothers, Rama immediately got up and came fast and Jagraha, Charanan, Subhan, he just fell on the feet of all the mothers and started touching all the mothers' feet and doing namaskaram. All the mothers taking Rama very closely, hugging Rama, and then as and how Rama did namaskaram, then Lakshmana also started doing namaskaram to all the mothers. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama 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 Dasaratha Rama He He Raja Rama He He Raja Rama He He Sita Rama He He Sita Rama. Jai Srimannarayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Srimannarayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.